It's Sunday and we're going for gelato. We're going to this place that's been recently renovated and they make the best gelato.
Yeah, the owner is an old friend of mine, also classmate since the primary school, and it's a genius. It's a genius of the ice cream, and he's also like he's looking for a very refined prime material to make the ice cream. So,
and he always makes interesting combinations.
yeah.
So we're gonna see what he has today.
Secondo me hai centrato perché bella pure la fatto bella. Questa ora che si cucina bello questa bella che ci vuole giustamente il giorno a Cambodia tutto le vesti già sempre super pristino. So today we have a combination of two different flavors. I choose cassata siciliana and bitter almond with orange. And my wife got...
What did I get? I get the Toblerone and salted butter. It's good. But it's melting. Sorry guys, I need to eat it.
Delicious.
That's how many people imagine La Dolce Vita, the sweet life.
Ice cream on a sunny day.
It's a beautiful Sunday. We came to a beautiful place to eat delicious gelato. They make such a good one in this place. We couldn't resist coming here. But is the life really that sweet in Sicily? Well, let's go back in time and you will see how our week started. This week didn't start too well. I felt sick on Sunday, I had temperature, and I realized I had tooth infection, so I had to take antibiotics for a few days. Moreover, I had a problem with my hip. It was inflamed, it was painful, so I had to take strong painkillers as well. So the best I could do is rest. So while I've been on the sofa all day sick, my husband didn't let me go out. He's exhausted because he's been working in the garden all day. And he just wants to show me what he did today.
The basil has been transplanted together with the cuore di bue tomato.
Bull's heart tomato.
Bull's heart, yeah. I put there the wood chip to separate the corn from there and cover the eel so it stay nice and moist. I need to do this side actually, which it doesn't have it, the wood, but I will do it.
Good job.
Everything has been watered.
Ah, watered as well.
Now, the onions are almost done. So we need to think about what to put in there next.
Ah yeah, we finished
the
the bed.
carrots.
Oh, carrots starting to grow as well. Yay, finally. Baby carrots.
Sedano wrap has been planted.
Oh, you put it here.
There is
Celery, is it in English?
celery. It's not celery,
No,
it's
it's
the other one.
Celeriac.
Celeriac, yeah.
Yeah, that's the one.
In total there are 58 plants in here.
Oh, yeah, quite a few.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was supposed to tie them up a bit today, but I'm sick. Now probably tomorrow, I don't care, I need to do it.
Another 58 in here. Which the tomato needs to be tight, but I managed to find the space, so another 58 celeriac placed in here. I didn't do that because they are way too small. They need to be separate and my back was hurting, so it's done.
Poor you, must be exhausted.
The zucchini, the courgettes are done yesterday. I watered as well. All there. All 36 plants.
We covered all this area with hay and planted all the zucchini, all courgettes. It's so nice to be outside.
You've just been home one day.
One day, I feel like I've been there for a month. Doing nothing all day.
Yeah, I chopped them up at the little hill there was.
Ah, yeah.
Do you remember?
You
Went
leveled
with
it
the
out.
Torino. I smashed it and then with the Tastrello I flapped them up nicely. Also there. I took it off the arch, of course. I mean,
Yeah. We need to go back in time even more. When we started taking off fences a couple of weeks ago, we decided to change all setup of the garden, and we decided we didn't want to have fences and make our garden open area. So the boys did a good job of taking gates and fences off, but it led to loads of mess, things everywhere, and that's why this week we will be so busy. We need to sort out all the things around. Moreover, we had a deadline. The students from agricultural school were coming this Friday, so we had to be efficient and finish everything. It's another busy afternoon. My husband is cutting the grass, and I'm pulling the grass. Quite a busy afternoon fighting the grass which keeps growing obviously, and because it was raining a few days ago we have it even more greenery, but we need to tidy it up. So I have my preset. I have a box down there. Wait, I'm gonna show you better. So that's the box where I sit because I have a hip injury, and that's the grass I've been pulling. So that area all kind of getting cleaned, while there still needs to be cleaned. I guess I'm gonna finish tomorrow, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're finishing work. It's sunset. Almost 8:30. My husband had allergy and everything. He's suffering, amore mio. He can't even speak, so tired. I finished tidying up tomatoes. Ah, busy day. Another busy day.
Yeah, we've been trimming grass, cleaning up, getting ready for visitors, and yeah, I just finished 4.5 hours of grass cutter, and yeah, I'm tired.
He's so tired. Just gonna have a quick shower, a dinner, and probably go to bed at 10 o'clock. Good morning. It's another working day for us. We are struggling to start today because we overworked ourselves a bit too much yesterday. But we still have to keep going on and finish the jobs that needs to be done. There's still quite a bit of mess in there. Needs to be all cleaned up. The raised beds are a bit dirty from yesterday's cleaning up the grass, so I will need to clean them up. Just some brushing here, and yeah, quite a few jobs for another day. Hopefully by the end of the week we will be done and we can rest. Guess what? It started to rain. We were finishing our jobs. I was finishing to paint the shed and it started to rain. Well, it's lunchtime anyway, so we're going for lunch and a bit of rest.
So today we did lots of progress. We cleaned, scrubbed everything. We organized, and so far we are proud of what we did, even if we are very tired. She's tired.
Today I'm feeling tired. He's a bit better.
Yeah, I mean, because I didn't touch the sofa yet. I think today we will collapse, both of us.
It's another busy morning. We are doing delivery. quite a few veggies today. We are happy. So it's a last push today. My husband is finishing to clean a chicken coop, and I'm finishing to paint this shed tool storage area. Almost there. We're finished. We officially finished. I'm finished. I'm so exhausted. I've been in pain for the last 3-4 days. I've been pushing myself, and now I just want to cry. It's like I feel like I'm crying. I don't know, from pain or from tiredness or from both probably. But yeah, the garden looks stunning. We are happy with what we did, but it was a hard push, and we worked so hard. I would like to show you tonight, but I don't think I have any strength. We are ready!
Questa è una zona, ragazzi, di alta produzione di mango tropicale.
Spesso i funghi, che per noi, almeno ci vado per logica, è un segno che all'interno c'è una micorrizza abbastanza viva, e pari da qua. Questa parte di qua era tutta avvecindata. Noi il basilico che consociamo col pomodoro non lo raccogliamo. No, sono fenomenali. A me piace di più il seccagno. Per me il seccagno, ragazzi, il pomodoro più migliore.
So the conclusion of this week was great. For the first time, we opened to public our farm market garden, and everybody were happy, and actually we were proud of ourselves as well.
You seen how hard we've been working all week just to get there. It was tough week, but we enjoyed that. At the end of the day, it was worth doing it.
Yeah, it was very rewarding actually, the feedback that we collected. Yeah, we are so happy about it.
So that's what we wanted to show, that is like life, la Dolce Vita, is not always like perfect, and you have to work hard for it. But while you're working hard, you have to enjoy little moments. You have to appreciate what you do. And for example, to get to Sunday's ice cream,
You need to work all week for it.
yeah, it's like, it's beautiful lifestyle, but you cannot live like that unless you're retired and just enjoying your life. But normal working people,
Yeah.
we have to enjoy just little moments, and that's what our Dolce Vita is.
Yeah, make treasure of every single little bit of spare time that you can get in order to live rather than exist.
It's raining. My husband is happy.
I'm happy. Sunday I don't have to water. Yay!
Little things that matter in life. La
Well,
Dolce Vita.
That's Dolce Vita is when it's raining. When it's raining is a Dolce Vita. People might think it's something else. It's no. It's when you are a farmer, it's raining. In a time when there's no enough water. Yeah, that's Dolce Vita.